Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. And if you like any of the items you see, be sure to check the description for links and discounts. Today we are unboxing and trying on the Aloe Yoga Sweet Pink Valentine's Day Edit collection. Now this collection came in so many cute pink pieces, and we're going to take a look at all of those and talk about some pro tips. So there were a few tops that were kind of compression style. There were also some like Aloe Soft t-shirts or things that were a little bit more flowy, but I did choose to pick up the ones that were more fitted for kind of like a real like yoga vibe. That being said, I do think we have a good variety, so let's go ahead and kick it. So first up, we have the Seamless Ribbed Favorite Bra Tank. I picked this up in a size small for a not too compression-y fit. The second piece I picked up is the Seamless Delight High Neck Bra, and I picked this up in an extra small just to see the contrast of sizing. Keep in mind that this one is going to have nothing for support, it's just going to be that material, so no shelf bra or anything on the inside. Some like that, some don't like that, but at least you have a few options. Okay, next up we have the Splendor Bra. Now this collection came in quite a few bras. You have like the Airlift Intrigue bra, that's going to be with the Airlift material. You also have the Heartthrob material, which is more cottony, but I picked this one up because I thought it was the most different, and I really liked how they used this bra in the promo photos. All right, next up we're going to go into our cover-ups. So we have the Aloe Soft Half Zip Rapid Pullover, and this is going to be kind of like a traditional pullover. This is perfect for wearing over either of those tanks or the sports bra as a really light shell. Now this feels like the Aloe Soft long sleeved shirt, which we've unboxed on the Fashion Try-On. It's going to feel different than the heathered Aloe Soft leggings. So just keep that in mind that this is an Aloe Soft material, but not always the Aloe Soft material that you might be the most familiar with. So overall, this feels like a pretty standard cover-up, like something you would get at Lulu or Nike or the like. Next up, we have the High Waist Airlift leggings. Now these are in the full length, but they also come in the 7/8 length. Now I chose to try the full length because I feel like you can always crop them into the 7/8, but if you have a preference, definitely go with the one that speaks to you. Now I personally love the Airlift leggings, and especially how all of the colors come out in the mildly iridescent material. All right, let's switch back to another cover up, and we're gonna try the Scholar Knit Cropped Full Zip Jacket. Now, I was super intrigued by this one because it came out in a white and a black previously, but I really liked the idea of the pink. So I'm super excited to try this one on, but also get to know the material and the cut for that jacket. Now I picked this up in a size small, and we'll get into kind of the feedback once we try it on. But I was concerned that because it was cropped, it might be short, and I read a lot of the reviews and they didn't end up leading me in the right direction. So we'll get into that when we try it on. Now I also picked up this really cute scrunchie called the Love Knots Tie Scrunchie. And if you're new to the Fashion Try-On, I always love to pick up an accessory from Aloe when I'm going for a monochrome look because I feel like it really just ties the whole thing together. Now, of course, I also had to try out the Accolade set. So I picked up the cropped crew neck as well as the Accolade shorts. Now they also made an Accolade pullover hoodie, but I didn't choose to pick that one up because I felt like the crop was going to be a little cuter, especially with the shorts vibe. So we're going for kind of like a lightweight moment. All right, let's go ahead and try these on. So first up, we tried on the Splendor Bra with the Airlift leggings. Now my first impressions were that I really like this color. It's even cuter than I thought it was going to be. Now, remember that I said that a lot of the promo photos were showing this bra with the Scholar knitwear. So this is the whole vibe, and I just really like this. I really like how you have the full pink moment. The pinks match really well, and I feel like it translates to the texture of the Scholar jacket really nicely. So overall, this is a total yes for me. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Now I mentioned that the sizing may have steered me wrong, so I picked this up in a size small. I think it looks fine, but I also think I could have sized down. So don't be too afraid of the cropped essence. Alrighty, next up we tried on the Seamless Delight high neck bra. And remember that I picked this one up in a size extra small. Now I felt like this fit, but I also felt like I could have gone for a small and had a little bit more room and a little bit more give. Now the theme of this try on is going to be that we're going to try on all of these with the scholar jacket just so you can see how the full outfit comes together. Now again, I really like this overall look and I do like the idea of the Splendor bra giving a little bit more coverage. Now next up, let's try the Seamless Ribbed Favorite bra. Now I've previously tried this bra on in the copper color, and if you've seen that try on, you might remember that I wasn't the biggest fan of the cut. I will say in the pink, I absolutely love it. So it's really interesting how sometimes, you know, the color just makes all of the difference in the world. I do think that if I'm going to wear this as a full set with the scholar jacket, I do prefer the seamless bra tank, but as a standalone tank, I really like this one. Okay, next up I gave the Alosoft half zip rapid pullover a try with the same airlift leggings. Now my first impression was that I liked this top, but that the color kind of mismatched the pants. Now I'm not sure if that's because of the type of material and it was harder to get the right hue, but I felt like they could have spent a little bit more time on this one. Nonetheless, I do think I could wear these as separates, so I don't hate it. And last but not least, here is the Accolade set. So this is the crew neck in the size extra small as well as the shorts also in the size extra small. Now I did pick up the ballet pink in the fall, so I'm slightly conflicted on whether I do need both of these sets, but let me know what you think in the comments below about what your favorite standout pieces were, what are things that you definitely don't want to miss, where you might be rocking these items, and where they fit in your overall Alo Yoga faves. Thanks so much for watching and be sure to subscribe.